Today at Galactic Armory, we are launching our Kickstarter for the next generation of armor scaling tools specifically made for cosplayers in 3D printing called FormFitter. I'm Aaron Hughes. For the last decade, I've led Galactic Armory, a passionate group of artists, designers, and cosplayers. Our goal? Put you in the boots of your favorite characters. And if you've ever attempted to 3D print any kind of wearable item, a helmet, a gauntlet, a pauldron, anything like that, you probably know that getting the correct sizing can be the most frustrating, time-consuming, and sometimes incredibly material-intensive part of the process. FormFitter fixes all of that by allowing you to recreate a highly accurate and personalized avatar to size your armor pieces correctly to your body and then re-export them to be the correct size before you've even started printing. So why are we making FormFitter? Well, to start, it's something that we actually need. The current tools available to ourselves and the greater community are subpar to say the least. Some of them are just outdated or unusable, and others are kind of built for workflows they were never really designed to support. All that really puts a damper into anyone's cost plans when the first step is so difficult to overcome. I know that I've personally made the mistake of printing something too large or too small without checking properly first, or checking properly is even a little bit too difficult or time-consuming. We want to change all of that by building FormFitter from the ground up with modern features that are much needed for the cosplay community, with continued long-term support and new tools in the pipeline. Now, the FormFitter demo is currently live and you can go and try it yourself, but we really need your help to get us to our fundraising goal. Our first priority is to get the program to a one-time standalone purchase program. I want to say that right out of the gate. We want it to be offline, one-time purchase with long-term support. We are going to be launching a web version of the app in the meantime, so that you can get to building and trying it out faster. The team at Galactic Armory have put a great deal of thought and effort into making FormFitter the end-all be-all tool for cosplayers. So please check out FormFitter in the link below or linked in our profile, and be sure to follow us on all the official FormFitter media accounts for updates and Q&As. For now, I'm Aaron Hughes. Stay galactic.